Sani Banani. Today's a Sunday and spend the day with me. Yesterday I was cleaning. I didn't finish cleaning, so now I'm about to finish up the kitchen. After doing the kitchen, I need to go back to the bathroom because there's a bit of a mess. Wuthan just went to buy a few things for later on today. So what I usually do is, as soon as he leaves the house, I use the opportunity to clean, because as soon as he's here, he's all up in my space. There's things I cannot do, so clean with me. The washing in the washing machine, it's literally spinning, so it's almost done. Then I'm just gonna take that out. I'm not gonna go into that room. That room can miss me. I'll see it during the week. But the kitchen is literally clean. I'm just gonna mop the floors, water my baby, just clean up here a bit and put these guys away. Then I'll be done with the kitchen. It is so hot and this guy is outside putting lights. Like, couldn't you do this later on? It's so hot. But so tinike. I'm about to search a recipe on TikTok so I can make some livers. So I come back. I asked this guy to buy me something to drink. Let me show you what he bought me, guys. So just because he was getting himself ngudus, I must also get ngudus.
Oh, you're doing a live?
No, not a live, a video. Say hi.
Hello?
Hello. We play
GTA.
Fortnite, GTA. What's there? Whatever you call it. About that. About back in my colony, about that.
Now what do I do with the rest?
Your boat. Bye.